Green tea is a delicious refreshment and one of the most consumed drinks by most people in the world. Green tea is the only delicious refreshment that has numerous powerful solid advantages because of its huge antiviral, antioxidant, and mitigating. Green tea is ideal for everyone to consume, no matter the age and health condition. Here are the top 10 health benefits of green tea. 1. Improves brain health. According to a Swiss review, people who drink green tea frequently have more prominent action in the working memory zone of their brains. Taking green tea is a method for approaching a healthy life that one can make as their own personal practice routine. This routine often follows a particular way, as the green tea helps in making left or right cerebrum, restoring movement so as to tone muscles, support blood sugar adjustment, and detoxins the body and the blood movement in the mind. It has also been found that green tea blocks the formation of plaques that are connected to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, the two most common neurodegenerative disorders. To boost your memory and prevent ailment, just drink 1 or 2 cups of green tea daily. 2. Helps in lowering blood sugar levels. Taking green tea for breakfast is an important and basic part of the day, as green tea helps one adjust their blood sugar. A recent research in Swiss expressed that it is important for one to incorporate green tea in addition to foods that are rich in proteins amid breakfast. One can also add grass-bolstered collagen in green tea. Quality fats normally slow down the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream, consequently providing satisfaction and satiations. It is important to observe your blood sugar definitely every now and again. If one's blood sugar level is too high, they have to increase the level of consumption of green tea. 3. Reduces cholesterol levels. There are sure compounds in green tea that block the absorption of cholesterol in the stomach-related tract, while simultaneously helping in its excretion. Also, green tea keeps the supply routes clean by keeping the oxidation of LDL, which can cause plaque buildup and increase the risk of having a heart attack or stroke. Steer clear of the foods that can cause damage to your artery system, most, including processed foods, gluten, hydrogenated oils, and added sugar. All this can be substituted by simply taking a cup of green tea. Green tea is the top drink and supplement that supports oxidation in arteries. In addition, green tea can aid in repairing your gut lining, which in turn can balance your hormones after reducing your cholesterol levels. 4. Promotes oral health. Green tea consumption is connected with enhanced dental well-being and a lower danger of having bad cavities. The availability of fluoride in green tea, polyphenol, and catechins can effectively kill the microbes that cause tooth rot, awful breath, holes, and different gum infections that occur mostly after consuming sugars and causing discomfort in one mouth all day. Taking green tea additionally helps in keeping up the white teeth to remain white, empowering you to have a whiter and brighter. 5. Helps maintain body weight. The catechins in green tea create warmth inside the body, which therefore gets rid of additional calories. Green tea is highly recommended for people who fear hitting the gym, as its consumption leads to burning of calories. The polyphenol in green tea works massively to increase levels of fat oxidation and the rate at which your body transforms nourishment into calories. Green tea likewise helps in lessening the levels of heart failures during the oxidation time frame and helps one to sweat out the additional fats. Additionally, making the skin have the capacity to inhale regularly, as it likewise keeps up the layers of the skin from having additional fats. 6. Preventing hair loss. Green tea is rich with cell reinforcements that avoid balding and can likewise advance hair ray development. It has cell reinforcements that guarantee that the hair does not simply become back, but rather, they likewise ought to be solid hair. Green tea is for the most part prescribed to individuals who have experienced surgery and they needed to shave their hair, and those that are experiencing chemotherapy. The polyphenol catechins in green tea square DAT, which is the key variable for male pattern baldness. There are likewise those with terrible hair lining. The answer for their issue is the utilization of green tea as their everyday drink, in addition to different guidelines that are given to you by the doctor. Likewise, cool, naturally blended green tea, flush your wet hair with it, and afterward wash your hair with water for 10 minutes. Do this a couple of times each week, and for not less than a couple of months. It will likewise diminish issues like dandruff and dry scalp. 7. Fighting against aging. Green tea containing polyphenol help fight against various signs of aging experienced by people due to lack of taking good care of the skin. Promotes longevity and proper functioning of the skin of the elderly and treats skin diseases. Taking green tea helps in the destruction of hormones in the body, which causes dehydration, which in turn causes dry skin that makes the skin look aged. Scientists have exhibited that green tea can likewise lessen sun harm. Also, green tea helps in the battle against skin growth. Green tea is necessary because it will help to pull up the sugar into the cells, hence providing energy and generating moisture on one's skin, therefore, preventing it from aging. 8. Lowers blood pressure. Standard utilization of great green tea is thought to diminish the danger of hypertension as it is low in caffeine, contrasted with dark tea, reduces the rate of blood pressure, and helps keep blood pressure down by repressing angiotensin, which leads to high blood pressure. In fact, according to a study published in the Archives of International Medicine, people who consumed 1/2 to 2.5 cups of green tea regularly for at least 1 year reduced the risk of developing high blood pressure by a higher number compared to those who did not drink any green tea. A recent study case showed that consuming green tea significantly improves blood pressure. Hence, you need to drink at least 3 to 4 cups of green tea per day in order to have effective results. 9. Reduces the risk of cancer. Availability of traces of cancer in one's body can be regulated by the consumption of green tea, as it is well balanced is crucial for the body's fitness. Regulation of hormones in the body as well as in triggering of hormones in the body that might fight off the cancer bacteria. It also helps cancer patients while undertaking chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery for primary cancer treatments as it provides with great metabolic rate and ensures that the body is well balanced to enable the patient to cope. In fact, the antioxidants in green tea are 100 times more effective than vitamin C and 24 times better than vitamin E. Drinking as many as 4 cups of green tea a day may be necessary to reap its anti-cancer benefits. 10. Keeps bones strong. It helps suppress the breakdown of bone while increasing the amount and activity of bone-building cells. The osteoclasts are bone-desorbing multinucleated cells that tightly attach to the mineralized bones by secreting protons. Drink green tea every day to help preserve your bone density and grow strong, even in your older age. So, a cup of green tea is a good way to start your day, seize your day, and support many aspects of good health, like healthy bones for one to function properly on a daily basis as it is frequently oxidized.